An Aries will never fucking beg for anyone to stay. If you want to go, go. They won't chase, they won't cry in front of you, and they sure as hell won't lower their standards just to keep someone around. Aries are built different, strong, focused, and stubborn as hell. They might care deeply, but they'll suffer in silence before letting you see them broken. Loyalty means everything to them, but once you fuck that up, it's game over. They don't play about trust. An Aries will give you chances, but not forever. Push them too far, and they'll cut you off like you never existed, and they won't look back. But it's not about being heartless. It's about protecting their peace. You don't fuck with an Aries and expect a free pass. They don't do fake love, fake friends, or fake apologies. They remember everything, every lie. Every time you let them down, they forgive, but they never forget. They're quiet about their pain, but loud with their actions. If they start pulling away, it's already too late. Aries' silence is never empty. It's full of everything they wanted to say, but decided wasn't worth the bullshit. Never play with the feelings of an Aries, because when you break their heart, they won't just walk away. They'll burn the entire memory of you to ash. Aries doesn't love halfway. When they fall with every pulse in their body, every spark in their soul. They're intense, raw, and all-consuming. When they love you, it's not gentle or cautious. It's fearless and wild, like a storm that wants to carry you home. They fight for you. They defend you. They believe in you when the world turns away. But the moment you betray them, use them, or play with their emotions like they're some toy to toss around, something terrifying happens. The fire that once kept you warm will ignite into a blaze you can't contain. Their silence will scream louder than any fight. Their absence will hurt more than any goodbye. They don't beg. They don't repeat themselves. They simply change. And once they change, you'll feel it in your chest like thunder, crashing in an empty sky. Aries doesn't do revenge in the way you expect. They become so distant, so unbothered, so untouchable, it will eat you alive.
Hello, good morning! So, tayo ay magkakape. Pero, transfer ko muna yung tubig nito dito. Yan. Tapos, yung tubig naman sa pakuli dito. Oo, diba? Tapos, ito ang kape ko. Good day! Ito na ang aking kape. Yan. So, hindi ako nakabili ng aking tinapay for breakfast. So, ito na. Ang aking magiging breakfast. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito at hindi ko alam kung anong lasa. Pero, yan. Ito ang magiging breakfast ko. Parang green pears, tapos syempre orange. Isang klase yata ng orange ito, hindi ko alam. Try ko lang ngayon. Dito ko ilalagay. Para pag hindi ko naubos, ilalagay ko sa ref. Simulan na natin ang ulit. Peras ba? Green pears. Oh, diba ang ganda? So, ito na ang aking breakfast. Ito pala, para siyang pomelo. Pero maliit lang siya. Tignan natin kung anong lasa. Ayan. So, ito naman ang asin. Hindi nyo makita kasi ang puti-puti. Iodized salt. So, tara sa loob. Ayan. Tara sa loob ng aking kwarto. So, yan. Andito na tayo sa kwarto ko. Flex ko ang aking bilbil. Lumiit na siya. Yay! So, ito ang ating food for this morning. Asin at saka peras, pomelo at saka orange. Ang tamis. Ang tamis, patas ang asukal. Kain. Ang tamis talaga. Parang lasang candy. Hindi siya yung yung lasa ng peras. Hindi. Parang candy ang lasa niya talaga. So, ito naman yung orange. Asim. Damn. Asim. At lasahan naman natin itong pomelo. Yung nilalagay sa nilalagay nila sa Four Seasons. Ito yun. Yung juice na Four Seasons. Ito yun. Orange na lukban. So, ito, diba, day off ko kahapon. Bago ako umuwi dito sa bahay, dumaan muna ako doon sa market. Bumili ako ng ganito. Tamang-tama. Pag alas 6 na kasi, ibababa na nila yung price. 3 klase is 20 lang. O, diba? Nakamura na naman ako. So, may pagkain ako ng 2 araw o 3 araw. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko naman bumili ng breakfast ko. So, ito na lang. Para talaga siyang lasang candy nga. Tapos ito naman, yung alam nyo yung lukban, yung pomelo, ito, red. Tapos itong orange. Pero maasim siya. Ayan, so kain. Or diba? So mas magandang bumili ng hapon. Para mas mura. Kasi pa uwi na sila.